On row 3 of the shifted buffalo headbands, a cable will have reached the right and the left edge. And you'll see that there are 2 design stitches that aren't in pairs. The other cables are all in pairs across the work. There will be 2 design stitches near each edge of the work. On shifted buffalo headband A, you'll see that the cables don't change color. When you work those stitches, you'll be knitting them through the back loop and you'll continue to knit them in the previous color. On shifted buffalo headband B, the cables change color at the edge. There will be 2 design stitches at the right edge and 2 design stitches at the left edge. When you work those, you'll be working them in their other color. For example, this is a gray cable and it's reached the edge. When I work these 2 gray stitches, I'm going to work them in the other color in my marl, and that would be purple. I'm going to knit through the back loop for the first stitch. I'm going to purl that next background stitch. And when I come to these 2 design stitches near the edge, I'm going to knit them through the back loop. Instead of working them in gray, I'm going to work them in the other color, which is purple. These design stitches are going to cross in a C2, B2. The B means that the cable needle is held to the back. I do that by slipping the first 2 design stitches to my cable needle and holding them in back. I bring my marl to the back and then I'm going to work the 2 design stitches from my right needle. Those are in gray, so I'm going to knit them through the back loop in gray only. And then I'm going to work these stitches off my cable needle. They're in purple, so I'm going to knit them through the back loop in purple only. You can see that those design stitches have crossed where the left leg crosses over the right leg. I'm going to work this without a cable needle. I bring my marl to the back and I bring my right needle to the front of my work and insert it purlwise into the 3rd and 4th stitch on my left needle. I'm going to pinch my work and pull my left needle out. When I pull my left needle out, 2 stitches will fall to the back. I pick them up with my left needle and then I move 2 stitches from my right needle back to my left needle. These stitches have now crossed and I need to work them in their new order. I'm going to knit the gray ones through the back loop with the gray yarn, and then I'll knit the purple ones through the back loop in the purple yarn. They're all worked in the previous color. I'm at this last pair of design stitches. These also need to be worked in the other color. To do that, I knit through the back loop. I don't use the gray because these stitches are in gray. I use the other color, which is purple. So I knit through the back loop in purple for both of those stitches. And then I just work to the end of the row. Some people find that it's easy to forget to change the color of those stitches. You can put some stitch markers near the edge of your work, just as a reminder that the colors need to change when you get close to the edge.